wa Belanda yautitekera ndizokwana 30 ndipo
in Blantyre. Hey, we're in Blantyre. Guess who's back in the vlogs? Guess who?
What it do? It's a whole game. It's a whole game.
Guess who's back in the vlogs? Baby sister in the house. Come here, my baby. Come, baby. Come here. Baby in the house. Okay, so the gang's here. We're getting pizza. First day in Malawi. Life in Malawi begins today. Okay? Bye. Avi's birthday is Pawani. Tonga's birthday is in 5 days. I don't know.
5 days or 3 days?
Whichever day.
When is the birthday? Sunday. It's on Sunday, right?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, next week.
Hey guys, say hello to my YouTube channel.
hello.
I'm buying a bed in the street, in the middle of the street. I'm buying a bed. Thank you.
Wait,
Yeah?
careful with the thingy.
With the one?
Grass.
The glass.
I'm here, I'm protecting it from you.
Yes, boy.
Hey guys,
What up, guys?
what's up?
What up?
We got a bed.
We got a bed.
We got a mother
We
effing
got a
bed.
mother effing bed.
So now I'm going to register my phone so that I can have a number
We're
and a
gonna
number.
officially pimp this girl up. Get her Airtel mode and a connection mode. You know what I'm saying? Because right now you can't reach her, no matter how badass you are.
Wait, how you reached me though?
Because I'm better than ass.
Okay, so yeah, let's. That's it. I don't know. There's a market down there, and we're just gonna walk and take a walk in our ghetto.
Yep.
Good morning, guys. It's day 11 of vlogmas, and I am home. Come here, baby. Come say hi. I'm with my baby. I'm with my other baby over there. You can't see him. So today we're installing Wi-Fi. I was really adamant in finding Wi-Fi in Malawi. So if you want a video on the type of Wi-Fi I'm going to get, I will do that. But as of now, I look crusty. As of now, we're having Wi-Fi installed. I'll show you the guys. So I chose to do Afrimax. Afrimax has a cool plan where it costs about 40,000 Malawi kwacha a month, and installation costs 60,000. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, installing Wi-Fi, and I'll be heading to town soon after everything is installed and ready. So more videos coming. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Say hi to the vlog.
What up, vlog?
What are we doing?
We're making sure this guy connects Afrimax Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi. That man is so occupied with that woman. Like, are you at work, sir? Sir, I'm gonna show your boss this, sir.
I don't understand. It's like it's from the slippers, but it never happened to me. Oh my God. You didn't see it on my set, girl.
I
I didn't see your status.
I felt like I was there.
Guys, Nick is killing you guys. Look. Like, say hi. Say hi to my channel.
Hi.
And who? Wow.
My name is Temwa Dale, I want to see Mambale. Ukupika chonchi wanji, mimba muli dalazi. My name is Temwa Dale, I want to see Mambale. Ukupika chonchi wanji, mimba muli dalazi. Nanga uya wanji weka, nanga uya wanji weka. Dose tiga bas, tiga bas. Nanga uya wanji weka, nanga uya wanji weka. Dose tiga bas, tiga bas. Money. Man, Gemu, Deal, Sima, Yeba, Shani, Mane, Man, Gemu, Deal, Sima, Yeba, Shani, Lodi, Mujabasi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday.